Okay, this is an update. Um, as you can see here, for the speedometer cable, it's not sticking through, so I probably have a speedo cable problem, and this should be coming off in a few minutes. Um, this is how, these brake shoes really look good. So I'm replacing the wheel cylinders, and basically I'm just going to blow this off or brush it off, whatever. I don't have any air here. Anyway, I'm going to pull this cylinder off. I've already done that over here. As you can see, I pulled off the wheel cylinder, and it really doesn't look that bad, but it's been sitting for forever. A long time. I forget, 16 or 18 years, I don't know. I have to look on the when I got it registered. So it looks in pretty good shape. So instead of leaving it on there and having it hang on to it, I'm going to use this as a backup and put the new wheel cylinder on. And I'm only concerned about the hydraulic side and maybe adjusting the emergency brake right here. So I've got that. I had two bent rims on the back, so those are being upgraded. There are going to be some green rims that I got from my friend, and it'll have, hopefully they'll be able to be balanced and all that kind of stuff. So in the interim, I'm going to take some time delay. Okay, well, I got the reservoir on. Now, it's a tight fit getting that out of there to put the fluid in. So anyway, I got that in. I still have to put the clamps on, and I got this out. The bolts didn't want to be too cooperative, so that's where I'm at right now. So I got to get this all vacuumed out and cleaned up, and then I'm going to put the new one out. I got to pull the brake switch out. Hopefully it's going to be fine, but we'll see. So I'm going to go back on time delay. Okay, I'm back. We're going to I got this brake done. I'm ready to bleed the brakes. That's what that's for. I got to tighten that one brake line up. So this side is done. What I'm going to be doing over here is I'm just going to be replacing the wheel cylinder. So once I get that done, you can see the brake pad, the brakes are in good shape. I'm just going to clean those up. Clean that up, and then we're going to bleed the brakes, and I'll be close to, I'm going to pull this drum off and just check them before I do that, but that's what's happening right now. Okay, well, as you can see here, those are the original shoes, and these are the drums for the front, and they're not even worn hardly. So I got that in, so I'm going to do the Speedo cable, which wasn't hooked up. I'm going to do the Speedo cable and all of that, and then connect the brake hose up to that right there, and the left side will be done, and then I just got to do the right side. Well, I got all the brakes done, and I'm going to put the tires on here, and this is going to be a wrap for this visit. I got the brakes done, but the problem is VW does not have a very easy master brake cylinder, so it's not fluid isn't going into it, so I'm going to have to work on that, and then the next visit. So that's a wrap on this.